Katana is a Japanese word that means long sword. It is also known as the samurai sword. The katana is a blade with a little curve, a single edge, and a very sharp point. It originated before the 10th century. The swordsmith Amakuni is considered to be the father of the katana when he developed it for the emperor during a period of war. Katanas weren't just weapons, they were also a symbol of honor, which were given by feudal lords to samurai warriors. According to custom, the katana must be worn on the left side. When used correctly, it allows you to split a single human hair in one fell swoop. When not in use, these swords were respected and kept on a sword stand called a katana-kake. In the 11th century, its popularity expanded to neighboring Asian countries, which resulted in them being heavily exported to China. In the ancient era of Japan, there were a lot of swordsmiths who were producing katanas of various qualities. But some swords were made with great passions and were extremely high quality. However, many swords were of average or poor quality as well. During the Edo period, to ensure high quality, katanas had to pass an official sword testing department set up by the government. A master swordsman would test a blade by slicing through the bodies of executed and possibly live criminals piled on top of each other. A katana with better slicing performance received government recognition and brought a lot of wealth to blacksmiths. Given its long history and high quality, it is no surprise that a lot of wealthy Japanese people own katanas. Even today, they are still considered a symbol of honor and pride. When you want to buy a good quality katana, it may cost between $4,000 and $30,000. And if you think that's too costly, then you'll be surprised to hear that a Kamakura Blade from the 13th century was recently sold for $418,000. But perhaps it's not that crazy because, according to legends, a well-crafted Japanese sword could dispel evil in a symbol of purity and can be worn to fend off evil spirits.